Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your ZTE Blade A53 Pro. So in the first step, open the Google Play Store, then look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm using the Easy Fax. Now add the permissions to the camera and to the files, and click on the plus to choose source of your document, like something from the gallery. Like this photo, for example. Of course you can select more than one picture. If you're ready, click import. Now you can add this shape to the document or to your picture. Click arrow if you're ready. Now choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible for the receiver, and you can also add the signature tags and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept. And now type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. And if you want to send more documents, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, get your free credits or just buy it, click on this button, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.